Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So today we have got a 1980 Mercedes Benz 500 SLC Rallye. This casting is by Hotwheels Premium and part of the Hotwheels Boulevard. If you don't know, Hotwheels Premium, they come with metal base, unlike mainline which have plastic base. They have nicer wheels and tire combos, so rubber tires, nicer looking wheels, more details compared to mainline or Silver Series, and a nicer paint. It looks like a nice Merc, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the 1980 Mercedes Benz 500 SLC Rallye out of its box. It definitely looks like a nice Merc. I'm going to start from the front. So in the front you've got some nice details. You've got painted headlamp, detailed grille with Mercedes badge, trim, a chrome bumper, a number plate which reads Rallye SLC. Also you can see the lower bumper that's finished in black, and if I tilt a little bit you can see the hood with some decals on it, contrasting hood with black color and silver body. Obviously you got both the mirrors, windshield wipers, so a lot of good details in the front. Now moving to the driver's side, again there are nice details. You can see those nice tires and wheel which look really good. Also you got the sponsor name Motul 80. This very typical 80s shape, boxy but yet stylish. It also has got those aftermarket or not standard wheel flares, black ones, which were very typical of rally cars, I guess, back in the day. Mentioned some names on it. We see it says R. Mathis, K. Albedek. I'm definitely ruining the names, not pronouncing them properly, so sorry for that. Move back. So we got the door handle, and you can see there's a roll cage inside. You see right there's a roll cage. And in the back you have Goodyear and BBS. So a lot of good details on the side too. Coming to back, again nicely detailed back end with tail lamp, a number plate, says Rallye SLC. You got the Mercedes badge, twin exhaust, and a small trunk lid spoiler. You can also see the roll cage from here. Passenger or co-driver side looks almost identical. Only difference I can see is the fuel filler here. I did forget to mention the chrome bumper, which again looks good. This is how it looks from the top. Interior is finished in black, has some details in it. I don't know how much is visible, but you can see there the roll cage, and that looks like a spare wheel inside. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So metal base with some good details there, which is good to see, as more and more Hot Wheels are missing out on details on the base now. So overall I think it's a very nice looking casting, and Hot Wheels has done a good job with this one, and you won't be disappointed if you get this. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.